Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making this easy egg fried rice that is something that I cook every other week. It's a no fuss meal that you can easily modify with whatever vegetables you have on hand. So without further delay, let's get started. Heat a kadai with a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, add the eggs, salt and pepper for the seasoning and scramble them for about a minute. I'm taking almost 5 to 6 of eggs because I like to increase the protein content in my fried rice, but you can choose the quantity of egg as per your preference. Transfer the eggs to a dish and turn off the heat. Drizzle the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil into a yolk over high heat. Add some green chillies, some chopped onions and some capsicum and cook them for about a minute or two. The flavor of rice mixed with eggs, vegetables and a thin layer of soya sauce is something that brings comfort to my belly. Stir constantly and season the vegetables with a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, It probably comes as no surprise that I cook fried rice very frequently. Not only do I find this dish comforting, but it is also damn easy to make. All you need is rice, eggs, some vegetables and a teaspoon of vinegar and a tablespoon of soya sauce. And not to forget, I always like to add a cube of Maggie cube masala into my fried rice. It gives a nice, beautiful restaurant-like flavor to the fried rice when you add the Maggie cubes. Add the cooked rice into the pan or the yolk and cook for several minutes until the rice is heated thorough. If there are large clumps of rice, break them apart with the back of your spatula and mix them well. At last, add the scrambled eggs and stir to mix again. Fried rice is usually a dish that you make to repurpose the leftover cooked rice from the day before. You want to avoid freshly cooked rice because it is still moist and steamy, which may yield fried rice with a mushy texture. Once you get into the rhythm of this basic egg fried recipe, play around with it. Substitute rice with quinoa, add other vegetables or proteins, do whatever suits your taste. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. Do try this simple egg fried rice recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.